AvePoint Cloud Records can be used to manage your digital records stored in repositories such as SharePoint Online and Exchange Online. But it can also be used to manage your physical records, physical sheets of paper, folders, and boxes that you're storing in some type of physical storage location. To begin setting up physical records management, log into Cloud Records, and out to the far right, under Physical Records Management, we go into Location Management. In Location Management over on the left, you can see I already have one location set up. To create a location, we hover over My Registered Location, click the drop-down, and then click Create Location. Give that location a name, and then hit Enter. You can continue to create those top-level locations if necessary, or once you have the new location in place, hover over it, go to the drop-down arrow, and now you can begin creating additional locations inside. When you consider your location, really how far down you go is going to be up to you. I could stack individual rooms now within this office, and then filing cabinets within those rooms, and then drawers within those filing cabinets. To do that, again, I will click Create Location, and you can see it is a lower level down. Give it a name, and hit Enter. Continue to do that as necessary. We then go back to one of the new rooms we've created, and again you can see I have Create Location. I can also click on any of these locations at any time, and over on the right find a description and a total amount of space. After providing a description, we can click into Total Space and either use the up arrow to set a number or enter a number directly. The last option there is whether or not you want to allow container creation. Allowing container creation would designate that as the lowest level object in that particular hierarchy. That's where you'll be able to create boxes and folders. Since I was putting storage rooms within my London office, I will not check that here. Down at the bottom, I click Save. If I now go to my storage rooms, I can do the same thing. In Storage Room A, we have a couple of filing cabinets. So again, I'm not going to check Allow Container Creation, and I'll click Save. Now I hover over Storage Room A, create location. Once I've entered in my filing cabinets, I go back to the first one and enter a description. I estimate the amount of space, and in this spot I will check Allow Container Creation. Once I save, you'll notice the icon here changes. Also, Create Location happens to be grayed out. Now if I wanted to go deeper, for instance down to the individual drawers in that filing cabinet, well, Allow Container Creation would not have worked there. I need to be able to go and choose Create Location and enter in the drawers. It's then at those locations where I will set the estimated amount of space and tell it I'm going to create containers and save. We would continue to do that, filling out the rest of the information about the London office. Once done, these physical locations are now ready to have boxes, folders, and physical records placed within them, which is done over in the Records Explorer. We get to the Physical Records Explorer by navigating back to the home page, clicking Physical Records Explorer out on the far right, and then we can expand down through that physical location. Anywhere where there is an arrow has something in it. And I can get all the way down to the individual drawers that I created. Thanks for watching this short video on setting up physical record locations using Cloud Records.